Hey guys, just want to jump on here right quick and do a quick tutorial. Um, Here's a little hack on to get your videos up and running. First, we like to do is we'll come into ChatGPT, and I literally asked Chat to write me a 1,000-word YouTube script about the benefits using Google My Business for your services and products. So I had it write me a YouTube script. I got the script, as you can see right here. I checked it on the word counter. If you go to wordcounter.net, you want at least about 1,000 words that'll give you a 10-minute video. So we got 935, close enough, right? So I put it in here, make sure that I got the word count right. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. And there's a website that you can use called Pictory. I just got the free trial I'm just using right now. But the benefits about it is what you can do is when you actually create an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. You can create content. You can edit videos using text, literally copy an article, the link, and then put it in there, and then it'll make a video. And then this one is what we're using, script to video. This is the one you want to use. So what we're doing is we're actually taking that script that we got made. We dropped it in here. Go ahead and give it a title. Enter your video name. Google My Business. And then what we're going to do is we'll just hit proceed. Then it's going to give you a template, a few templates you want to use that you can use, And you got explainers. See, these are all different templates you can use. So we're going to go with the corporate since it's about Google My Business. Click on continue. And then we're going to come back. This is going to prepare a storyboard. And when it's up and running, I'll show you what it looks like. So give us a minute. All right, so this is what happened. As you can see right here, you have a storyboard. And it literally drops the videos with your script. And as you can see, welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the benefits of using Google My Business for your service and products. And then here's the second scene. And then as a business owner, you know that it's essential to have an online presence to attract customers or promote your brand. As you see, there's a video. See, and you can change, add elements, add visuals. Like if you wanted to change this out, you can change it out if you like. Add some audio in the end. So it's pretty cool, right? Because as you can see, everything is already set up and made for this for you. So if you can see here, we can do a preview. If it lets us. Oh, get back over here, story. And there you go. Now, I don't know if you can hear it, but let's see. And as you can see, we got the preview. And it's the whole video, all in that one script. You can even add voiceover, as you can see, if you want it. And to beat that, that's pretty easy because all you have to do is this. Check it out. We can go to where we grabbed all the words, and there's another website I use called voicebooking.com. There's others on here that you can use. But this one's real simple. It's actually a couple of them are free. So if you find the right ones, this one is free after so many voice generations it makes. And but I end up getting the premium, and it lets me use it as many times as I want for the month. And I love it because I can literally I can take what was said. Let's go over here, for instance. So if I want it, let me get this. This is the first scene. And then I can copy this. If it lets me. It's a little slow right now, I guess. So let me copy that. Then I'm going to drop it in here. Get it set up for a second. Give me a minute. And literally all I gotta do is just download this. I can use a male voice if I want it. I'm just gonna show you so you can see how it works. And then right here, if I wanted to upload, add a voiceover, and then drop this in there, which is the audio file. And then it should work right now. Let's see. And let's try it. Let's get a preview. I don't know, it's not working, but we'll figure it out. But I just wanted to show you how this works. I think I figured it out right here. Okay, let's do the first scene. It's preparing the video. Give it some time. And as you can see, there's a voiceover. It's literally saying what we copied and pasted. And so this is just a good, simple way to create content. Now imagine putting out, 10, 20 videos real quick, add them onto your YouTube channel, maybe to your shorts, add them to your Facebook Reels, add them to your business Reels, and then dropping a link with the call to action, whether it's an affiliate link, for instance, like I'm going to create a bunch of funnel videos, and then I'm going to take my affiliate link with phone sites and I'm going to drop it in all my posts, and then I'm going to make sure. So as you can see, here's the preview. Shows the whole video. It looks like if you upgrade it, they'll take away the watermark, which is fine. But look, as you can see, it's matching videos with the script. And this is just a quick way to just get content out. I mean, you want to push as much content as you can. And then using these AI tools, this literally helps you get your videos up and running super quick. As you can see how fast I got this up. I will add the voiceovers for each of the paragraphs, but just I got the background music. I could change that. It seems a little, down, so I'll give it a more uppity beat. But as you can see, everything on here looks pretty good. And then once we want what we want, we can literally just generate it, and it will generate it. And then you can download it, and then you can upload it to your business page, your personal page. A lot of people that are becoming digital creators, this is a great way to put original content up and get views. And if you're on the program for Facebook Reels, you'll start getting some money in. If you have any questions, message anytime. If you want to use, I dropped the links in here so you can use. They'll be in the comments. Check them out and hit me up anytime if you need some help. Have a good one, guys. Later.